Today, we're creating the text dissolve opening animation, a beautiful effect where your text gently fades into place as if it's dissolving from thin air. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text, then tap Add Text. Type in the title or phrase you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a style that matches your video. Serif, minimal, and soft fonts work especially well with dissolve style animations. Now, tap the Animation tab. In the In section, scroll until you find Dissolve, tap it to apply the effect, and you'll see your text softly fade into view with a smooth, dreamy dissolve effect. Below the animation preview, you'll find the duration slider. Slide right for a slower, more cinematic dissolve. Slide left for a quick, subtle reveal. Adjust it based on the mood and pacing of your project. And that's it. You've just created a smooth text dissolve opening animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.